Dear students, we have started coordinate geometry. Because this is the first day, we have at first given three formulae. The three formulae is one of them is distance formula to find out the distance of the straight line AB. To find out the formula distance of AB. On the Cartesian plane or Cartesian paper, it is A, coordinate of A is x1, y1 and coordinate of B is x2, y2. We have to find out the distance between A and B. The distance D between A and B when A is x1, y1 and B is y1, x1, x2, y2, then D equal to x minus x1 whole square and y minus y1 whole square. This is next coordinate of a point P which divides the line joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, and P is a point between A and B. We have to find out the coordinate of P, which is x and y, when AP is to PB, that is AP equal to M1 and PB equal to M2. AP is to PB equal to M1 is to M2. The coordinate of P are like this: x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and that of y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. The coordinate of the midpoint when P is the midpoint, that is P is M is midpoint, that is the ratio of m1 and m2 equal to m1 is to 1. Then x equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Next, the centroid of a triangle with the vertices A, that is x1 y1, B x2 y2, these are the coordinates, and C, the coordinate of C is x3 y3. Therefore, that is G is the centroid. Those coordinates are x and y. X equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. These are three formulae, and we have performed only two solutions from Selena. Remember, these questions are selected from Selena. Calculate the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining A. The coordinate of A is minus 4, 6 and that of B is 3, minus 5. In the ratio 3 is to 5. Here we have taken M1 is to M2 equal to 3 is to 2. This is the M1 and M2. Therefore, the coordinate of P, that is X, will be, this is M1 and this is X2 plus M2, this is X1 by M plus N, that is 3 plus 2, and it is a 9 minus 8 by 5, that is 1 by 5, and Y, the coordinate of Y equal to 3 to Y2, this is Y2 plus M1, this is M2 into Y1 which is 6 by M1 plus M2, that is 3 plus 2, which is 3 into 5, that is minus 15 plus 12 equal to minus 3 by 5. Therefore, the coordinate of P is 1 by 5 and minus 3 by 5. Now, second problem. The distance between the points 3 and 3, 1, these are the coordinates. Point 1, first point is 3, 1 and 0, x is 5. This is one point, coordinate of one point, that is coordinate of another point. we have to find out x. It is given that the distance from this formula, first formula, distance formula, that is x2, that is 0, minus x1, that is 3, whole square, plus this is y2 is fixed, minus y1, that is 1, minus 1, whole square, root over equal to 5. Now we have taken square on both sides. When we are taking square both sides, this root over will go out and this will be 5 into 5, that is 25. And it is 3 minus 3 whole square, that is plus 9, and x minus 1 whole square equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 5 into 5, 25. Now we have got one quadratic factor, middle term factors. After solving this, we are getting that x minus 5 and x plus 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Very simple quadratic equation, that is x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 3. X equal to 5 and minus 3. So the value of x, it is given find x. So value of x is 5 and minus 3. This is all about these two problems. Next you will be getting so many. Follow me. Thank you. Today this much. Next we will meet in the next class. That's all.